Hello, my dear learner. Now, here is the punchline. And before starting this conversation, you have to focus on it. Success belongs those who keep going when everyone else give up. Yes, success belongs those who keep going when everyone else give up. Now, stay focused, stay humble, or stay unstoppable. So, if you do in an efficient way or doing a hard work, then definitely you will reach your destination. You will reach your ambition. No one can stop you unless external force are exerted on it, means that you don't have to divert. Okay, now I have 3 to 4 vocabularies, and basis of these we can discuss our conversation. We can take a one such kind of topic and we have to discuss and move forward our conversation. Now here is the first vocabulary: exceptional. Exception means gives in a very advantageous way something. Just she delivered a speech in an exceptional way. Yes, she delivered a speech in an exceptional way. And the second one is profound. Matlab means books gives a profound meaning. Means deep analyzing. Books gives us a profound meaning. And third one is authentic. Authentic means gives in a very unique, very expressive, very authentic. Means gives in a very exciting way, authentic, genuinely. Accomplish means just acquire. I am accomplishing my goal because I am doing hard work. So you would be the person who accomplishing your goal. First, the thing is that you have to doing a great or a efficient what progress, and the efficient meaning is also in a very good way or in a hard work, which is core heartedly, which you can do in your daily basis. So these are the vocabularies which we have to discuss, and after we have to take one topic and we have to discuss about it. Now the topic is money more than happiness? Yes, is money more than happiness? What do you think about it? Many of you are just thinking about it. Yes, money is more important than happiness. Why? Because you can see those who are poor, who doesn't have a money, then they are just thinking about it. If I had a money, then I'll do everything. I can get a knowledge, I can do something for the other person or my family or the poor family, because they are poor and don't know very well about the what the condition of the poverty, and they can fulfill their dreams. But those who have enough money, they don't want to help the poor because they know the value of money, but they really don't want to help the other person who are really facing difficulties in their day-to-day life. Why? Because there are two categories: one is rich and the other one is poor. Poor really know about it, what the other person really facing the problem, because they are also in the same stage. But the other one is who is very rich, but they don't want to help the poor. They only just trying to make money or just trying to get a happiness with their families or some friends or colleagues. I know they just trying to spend money in a very such kind of situation, just like a party, birthday party, or a many type of parties which is included by the rich families. But you can see that in this era there are lots of poor who can't be able to afford, who can't be able to get 2 times money, 2 times food, and they really doing a great progress or doing a hard work for their 500 wages or 300 wages. So this is the beauty of nature. This is the fault of our humanity. We really don't want to do something great for the other person. So that's the topic I have picked it. Is money more important than happiness? Yes, money matters, but along with this, we have to focus on our humanity, what the way we are going. So money plays a authentic role in our day-to-day life, but doing a great thing also people think about exceptional. Yes, because someone just like you are a very good person, you are very humble, you are a kind, and you have a humanity. So many people just consider you are an exceptional person, and you are doing such kind of things in a profound way. Profound means a deep meaning, or in a great humble person. So you have, and everyone can trying to give you a blessing. So in this way you can also accomplish your goal, because you have a blessing of those people who really, you really have them. So they can bless, and with the help of their blessing you can move forward. So this is the work. If you do in a efficient way, then you might be do something great in their daily basis. So don't consider a person who really have enough money they can get happiness. No, I have seen many people who don't have money but they really want to help the others. I'm not saying that they have with the help of, they are doing help the other person by money. They have something doing, just like a old person can't be able to go anywhere. Such just give, I'm giving example. One person who is blind and he can't be able to go anywhere. So one person just take his hand on his hand and just trying to move and cross the road one side to another side. Got it? Because I don't have any kind of script, so you can see my hands are right up in the air, and I'm just trying to talk in front of you. Why? Because I'm really authentic, I'm really fascinated about to doing something in a great in my life. And I believe that if I do in an efficient work, then the thing will happen perfectly. I won't wait for a perfect time. The thing is that I have to make it right now, right here. And you are the person who can also do it from right here, right now. So, what a kind of things you are waiting for? With whom are you waiting for? No one can give you a hand to go or anywhere. So, you are the only person. Nature gives you a free hand, you can do everything, but in a positive way. Don't use this in a very disadvantageous way.